Imagine a battlefield a million times smaller than a grain of sand, a place where the combatants are invisible to the naked eye, yet their battles are fierce and unending. Here, invisible armies clash in a silent, relentless struggle for survival. These microscopic warriors are constantly fighting for their existence, each moment a matter of life and death. This is the world of bacteria, teeming with life and death on a microscopic scale. Every second, countless bacteria are born, live, and die in this hidden realm. Bacteria, single-celled organisms invisible to the naked eye, are engaged in a constant battle for resources and dominance. They compete fiercely for nutrients, space, and survival. This microbial warfare, waged with sophisticated chemical weapons, has shaped life on Earth for billions of years. These chemical weapons are intricate and highly effective, allowing bacteria to outcompete their rivals. For much of human history, we were oblivious to this microscopic struggle. It wasn't until the advent of microscopy that we began to uncover this hidden world. We viewed bacteria primarily as agents of disease, ignoring their crucial roles in ecosystems and even our own bodies. This limited perspective overshadowed their importance in maintaining ecological balance. But advances in microscopy and genetic sequencing have unveiled the hidden world of bacteria, revealing their complex interactions and their profound influence on our planet. These discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of life itself, showing us that bacteria are not just pathogens, but essential players in the web of life. Bacteria are often associated with illness, but the vast majority are harmless or even beneficial. They play vital roles in nutrient cycling, breaking down organic matter, and releasing essential elements back into the environment. In our own bodies, trillions of bacteria reside in our gut, aiding digestion, producing vitamins, and shaping our immune system. These microbial communities, known as microbiomes, are essential for human health. Disruptions to the gut microbiome have been linked to a range of diseases, from obesity and diabetes to autoimmune disorders and even mental health conditions. Understanding the delicate balance of our internal ecosystems is crucial for maintaining health and well-being. Bacteria are not solitary creatures. They live in complex communities, communicating and cooperating with each other. These microscopic organisms have developed intricate methods to interact and survive in their environments. They do so through a process called quorum sensing, releasing chemical signals into their environment to sense the presence of other bacteria. This chemical communication is crucial for their survival and adaptation. When a certain threshold of these signals is reached, it triggers a collective response, allowing bacteria to act in unison. This synchronized behavior can be compared to a well-coordinated team working towards a common goal. This coordinated behavior is essential for many bacterial activities, from biofilm formation to the production of toxins and antibiotics. Without such communication, bacteria would struggle to thrive in hostile environments. Biofilms, slimy layers of bacteria that can adhere to surfaces, are notoriously difficult to eradicate and can cause persistent infections. These biofilms can form on medical devices, pipes, and even human tissues. Quorum sensing allows bacteria within biofilms to coordinate their defenses, making them resistant to antibiotics and the host's immune system. This resistance poses significant challenges in medical treatments and infection control. Competition for resources is fierce in the microbial world. To gain an advantage, bacteria have evolved a sophisticated arsenal of chemical weapons to attack and defend against their rivals. These weapons include antibiotics, toxins, and enzymes that can kill or inhibit the growth of other bacteria. This microbial arms race has been raging for billions of years, driving the evolution of new and increasingly potent weapons. The discovery of penicillin, the first antibiotic in 1928, revolutionized medicine, offering a powerful tool to combat bacterial infections. However, the overuse and misuse of antibiotics have fueled the rise of antibiotic resistance, rendering many of these life-saving drugs ineffective. Antibiotic resistance is one of the most pressing public health threats of our time. It poses a significant challenge to modern medicine and public health systems worldwide. Bacteria, with their rapid generation times and ability to share genetic material, can quickly evolve resistance to even the most potent antibiotics. This adaptability allows them to survive and thrive in environments where antibiotics are present. This has led to the emergence of superbugs, bacteria resistant to multiple antibiotics, making infections difficult or even impossible to treat. These superbugs can cause severe illnesses that are harder to cure and more expensive to manage. The rise of antibiotic resistance is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of human, animal, and environmental health. It highlights the need for a One Health approach to tackle this global issue. The overuse of antibiotics in agriculture, where they are often used as growth promoters in livestock, contributes to the spread of resistant bacteria. This practice not only affects animal health, but also has serious implications for human health. These resistant bacteria can then enter the environment through animal waste, contaminating water sources and spreading to humans. This environmental contamination creates a cycle of resistance that is difficult to break, posing a continuous threat to public health. The discovery of new antibiotics has slowed significantly in recent decades, while the rate of antibiotic resistance continues to rise alarmingly. This has spurred a renewed and urgent interest in exploring the natural world for new sources of antibiotics. Scientists are now turning to the microbial world itself, looking to bacteria's own arsenal of chemical weapons for inspiration and potential solutions. By studying the complex interactions between bacteria, researchers hope to identify novel antibiotics with different mechanisms of action than existing drugs. This could help circumvent existing resistance mechanisms and provide new, effective weapons in the fight against infectious diseases. Another promising avenue in the fight against antibiotic resistance is phage therapy. Phages, viruses that infect and kill bacteria, are ubiquitous in the environment. They are highly specific in their targets, often infecting only a narrow range of bacterial strains. This specificity makes them attractive alternatives to antibiotics, as they are less likely to disrupt the beneficial bacteria in our gut. Phage therapy has been used for decades in some parts of the world, particularly Eastern Europe. However, it has only recently gained traction in the West, driven by the growing threat of antibiotic resistance. Clinical trials are underway to evaluate the safety and efficacy of phage therapy for a range of bacterial infections. The growing awareness of the importance of the microbiome has led to a paradigm shift in our approach to treating bacterial infections. Rather than simply trying to eradicate all bacteria, researchers are now exploring ways to manipulate the composition and function of the microbiome to promote health. This could involve using probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can help restore the balance of the gut microbiome, or prebiotics, dietary fibers that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Another approach is fecal microbiota transplantation, FMT, which involves transferring fecal matter from a healthy donor to a recipient with a disrupted microbiome. The study of bacterial warfare is not only about finding new ways to fight infections, it is also about harnessing the power of bacteria for good. Scientists are exploring the use of bacteria in a wide range of applications, from bioremediation, cleaning up pollutants in the environment, to the development of new biomaterials and biofuels. In medicine, bacteria are being engineered to deliver drugs, diagnose diseases, and even kill cancer cells. The possibilities are vast, and as we delve deeper into the microbial world, we are likely to uncover even more ways to harness the power of these tiny organisms. The microscopic world of bacteria, once hidden from view, is now coming into focus, revealing a complex and fascinating realm that has shaped life on Earth for billions of years. We are only beginning to understand the intricate interactions between bacteria and their profound influence on our planet and our own health. This newfound knowledge brings with it a responsibility to respect and protect the microbial world. The overuse of antibiotics and the destruction of natural habitats threaten the delicate balance of microbial ecosystems with potentially devastating consequences. By appreciating the interconnectedness of all life on Earth, we can strive to live in harmony with the microbial world, ensuring a healthier future for all.
So, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before. Only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by, and remember, every video has a story. And every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.